Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually change the region you're playing in on League of Legends. So the region that the server is actually in. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your League of Legends client. Now you probably will go to the settings right here and look for the account settings to actually change the region. What usually people also do is go to the client of League of Legends, so the Riot games. Here you can't change it as well. Now what you can do is you need to go to the account settings right here, and inside the account settings here you have all the regions where you can play. Now you can go to Latin America or Japan, or simply go to the Middle East, for example, right here. But as you can see, it costs RP. Now it costs around 2,600 RP, and how to get this, you can easily purchase it through this link right here, and here you can purchase the RP to actually change the region you're playing in. Now it is easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.